In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Android Wi-Fi connected but no internet. Okay, the first thing you can do to try to resolve this matter is go into your settings, and then what we're looking for is general management. So tap onto general management and then go into date and time, and you want to make sure that your phone is using the correct time. So I suggest selecting automatic date and time, okay, and then see if that resolves the issue. If that still hasn't resolved the issue, go into your settings, remain there, and go into the search bar of your settings, type VPN. Okay, go into VPN and make sure that there's no VPNs that your phone is trying to connect to. Okay, and then the last thing you can try is go into in your settings, connections, go into Wi-Fi. You can see there's the connection. What you can do is hit the settings, and then what you can do is tap on here where it says forget. Okay, forget the network, make sure you know the password, and then reconnect to the Wi-Fi to see if that resolves the issue. Make sure that you also restart your phone, so press and hold the power button. Okay, that's opening that, so you want to just restart, so press and hold the power button and restart your phone. Just get rid of the Gemini and you should be able to do that. Okay, so if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.